Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we work on a Toro Z Master. It's a 72-inch cut, commercial, zero turn. The reason why they brought it in is the belt keeps on falling off. It just stretched out in the PTO shafts on the. It's a horizontal motor. The PTO shafts on the back with the clutch, so we have to run it from the back of the motor under the deck and hook everything up. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, the first thing we need to do is take these covers off. Yeah, belt's all toast. At least as a diagram. Let me grab a rag here. Sometimes they have wiring diagrams on them. Sometimes they don't, but these go by the pulleys. If it's a V pulley or a flat pulley. Well, part of the sticker's gone, but it shows a PTO on the back of the motor, and there's two pulleys on the bottom behind, and now it goes around up front here. Pulleys are good. All right, I'm gonna take them side panels off. Okay, it looks like I gotta take the muffler off, and I see they got the PTO clutch wired up so it don't spin. So we're gonna have to fix that. I'll show you how to get this off, but they have wires holding it. And if the wires break, that clutch will spin around and pull the wires out of the clutch. And I bet these clutches ain't cheap either. Okay, they got baling wire holding these on. What I'm gonna do, I put a bolt through here, get rid of this crap, and the wire fell out of here. Gonna have to fix that too. But anyways, got the belt out anyway. Look how bad that belt is in place. There's a bad spot there, and a bad spot there. I wonder why the belt keeps on falling off. Grab the new belt. I'm gonna run it through from the front to the back. Oh, it's a long belt. Okay, now I'm gonna find the bolt. We're not gonna use them wires no more. I think that's what happened before. That's why that wire got pulled out of the. That's why the wire got pulled out of that plug-in. Okay, what I'm gonna do? Screw that in there, then put the nut on to make it tight. I'm gonna cut it off right here, and I'm gonna grind this smaller. I'm gonna grab a marker so I know what to do. And I cut it off. Cut it off right there, and I'm gonna grind this down so it'll go in that slot right there. I put that bolt in and ground it down. It's a lot better than wires, and I soldered that wire right there in the PTO clutch. So now let's go ahead and go up front and start putting the belt on all the pulleys. And there's a belt guide back here. We gotta put that through. Gonna have to get a 1/2 inch drive breaker bar so you can turn that one pulley so you can make the belt tight and stuff. Okay, now we gotta get that tight as we can. Now all I gotta do now is put the muffler on, put the side panels on, and we'll try her out. Okay, I got all the covers on, got the muffler on. Forgot to put the pliers away. Open that up so I can get it out of the garage. Brakes on. Alright, well that seems to work anyways. Hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. And you guys have a good afternoon.